Here's a 1978 Chevrolet two-wheel drive regular cab, just in at Unique, especially in classics. As you can see, has had a repaint along the line, frame on restoration is what I would consider it. A copper color, burnt orange if you will. Cool looking paint color on it. Underneath the hood, 350 small block Chevy Power that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission along with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a close look at this front end, chrome bumper and grill insert. When we start it up, I'm going to flip on a toggle switch. There are some custom lights behind that grill. Do show up red, so I would consult with your local and state laws before you went turning those on going down the road though. But for show purposes, kind of cool. And I'll show you what I'm talking about when we start it up. Let you hear it run, look it over. Now, if you want to see the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look up and down passenger side of this truck. You can see it's nice and straight. Riding on chrome wheels, Eldorado radials. Interior bench seat, column shift. We'll get around to the driver's side. Open it up, let you check that out. Custom installed stereo system in there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the bed of it goes, there's a bed mat, rubber one back here. And as you can see, rear end has been nicely cleaned up. No handle for the tailgate, that's been moved to the inside. Rear bumper removed, kind of a roll pan look to it. And again, still pictures, so you can see this truck top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side. You can see the paint has a nice reflection, gloss look to it. And again, interesting color, looks good. Kind of partial to this color though, in that burnt orange. FYI, there is a hitch, before I forget to show you that. One of the deals where they have it hidden behind the tailgate, or behind the license plate bracket. So there also is a hitch back there if you want to pull a little something. Vehicle also has a clear title to it, clear Minnesota title. Alright, interior. Painted to match, black accents, black seat cover. I'll go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Wipers do work. Switches down here did have that working. I noticed there's a aftermarket tack, but I have not noticed that moving at all. Pioneer stereo system, and again, custom installed stereo, so it does have a nice sounding stereo to it. Padded dash, also in nice shape, so this truck is not sat out in the sun or sun baked at all. Stored indoors. Headliner also in nice shape. Get the glare out of there for you. There you go. Seat cover looks good. Tilt column. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to let you check out that engine bay, and we'll get a good look at that too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's that 350. Again, power steering, power brakes. Some valve covers painted to match. Opened up the air cleaner a little bit. Let it breathe. Electric choke. As you can see, it was a factory AC truck. Obviously the components have been removed, so AC would be non-functioning. It still has the heater hoses hooked up. And the fan, blower fan, did work on the inside. Notice that. There you go. Want a nice looking two-wheel drive Chevy 1978. Regular cab Chevy half-ton. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.